I'm Dave Huddleston, and this is AHA25. Today, researchers, clinicians, and technology leaders are sensing the future and what's next in cardiovascular care. Day 3 began with the first main event of the day focusing on new guideline recommendations in acute coronary syndromes.
Really gave a good recap as to what's going on and what are the biggest updates and what are the highlights. So I thought it was a really impactful session. It was a great session to have at AHA.
And this is just a reminder that science is fun. I think when funding situation is hard, getting papers out is hard, we kind of forget that how amazing it is to find out how our body works.
One of the things I love most about science is the way our thinking evolves. As we've gathered new information about the impact of sex in cardiovascular disease, our lexicon has changed.
The afternoon's presidential sessions and Connor lecture drew a packed house, inspiring leaders to carry the momentum forward.
There are two reasons in my belief as a medical specialist to give estrogen to postmenopausal women. One's for symptoms and two for bone health. The evidence that estrogen will then prevent heart disease is just not there.
Energy ran high in the Health Innovation Pavilion as the Health Tech competition winners were announced, spotlighting cutting-edge ideas that could soon save lives.
The award that we won was for the best business pitch and the best overall, and so this is a great recognition for us. I'm especially happy for the families and the kids who have congenital heart defects because they can really see that there's some innovation happening.
Today's researchers aren't just studying heart health, they're redefining it. At AHA Scientific Sessions, every conversation is one step closer to saving more lives. I'm Dave Huddleston, and this is AHA TV.